Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper trending on X this week is tackling the messy heuristics we rely on to train large language models. Published on May 6, 2026, about 5 days ago, it builds on the recent momentum of Riemannian optimization frameworks. The paper is titled Demystifying Manifold Constraints in Large Language Model Pre-Training. It introduces a new framework called the M-sign-aligned Constrained Riemannian Optimizer, or macro. The big takeaway is that explicitly restricting model weights with geometric constraints can completely replace standard stabilization tricks, like root mean square normalization and weight decay, while actually improving performance. The math behind this gets pretty deep, and as we will see, the way it naturally controls activation scales across the network is definitely worth sticking around for. So what happens if we set these mathematical boundaries incorrectly? Figure 1 shows the training loss for a 120 million parameter model to illustrate this pitfall. If we constrain the network's weights using a strict worst-case bound, represented by the solid blue line in the legend, the training actually suffers compared to the baseline muon optimizer, shown in dashed red. This happens because that specific boundary assumes the model has lost its representational capacity, which severely limits its ability to learn. That previous plot showed why worst-case bounds fail. To find a better approach, Figure 2 tracks a structural constant called kappa across different network layers. This metric essentially measures the stable rank of the weight matrices, and the plotted lines confirm these values naturally stabilize over time. Because the matrices maintain this high stable rank, the optimizer can safely use a larger constraint boundary. This larger radius successfully controls average activation scales, which preserves the model's capacity to learn. Table 1 lays out the exact mathematical formulas used to define these constraint boundaries across 4 different geometric shapes, or manifolds. For instance, the spectral sphere bounds the worst-case activation, so its radius incorporates both the input and output dimensions. The Frobenius sphere, however, controls average case activations and depends only on the output dimension, which creates a broader boundary. A simple tunable hyperparameter, denoted by R, lets researchers easily adjust these radii in practice, ensuring the internal model scales stay perfectly balanced. Table 3 tests this theory by stripping away all learnable normalization layers from a 330 million parameter model. Looking at the baseline muon optimizer, it clearly struggles without those standard stabilizers, eventually diverging at the highest learning rate. The new macro optimizers, however, stay completely stable across all tested rates. MacroSpec, in particular, delivers the lowest validation loss here, which proves that its strict worst-case bounds provide crucial extra stability when explicit normalizations are absent. Table 4 expands this evaluation to standard models, scaling up to 1 billion parameters. Even with standard normalizations included, the proposed macro optimizers consistently improve validation loss compared to the unconstrained muon baseline. At the 1 billion parameter scale, MacroSpec achieves the lowest validation loss of 2.46 compared to 2.47 for the baseline. This confirms that explicitly constraining the weight manifolds is a highly effective upgrade over standard training heuristics. Table 9 tests the second big claim, that explicitly bounding the weights makes traditional weight decay completely redundant. The authors trained the model with and without a weight decay penalty, labeled as lambda, across 3 different learning rates. Looking at the results for the macro optimizers, the validation loss remains virtually identical whether weight decay is applied or not. Because the geometric constraints already enforce a natural rotational equilibrium, tuning heuristic penalty parameters is simply no longer necessary. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. First, explicit manifold constraints provide a mathematically rigorous alternative to messy training heuristics. And second, optimizers like macro completely eliminate the need for standard normalizations and weight decay. That is all for now. Alex here from the AI Research Roundup. Catch you next time.